Hello everyone, we'll be showing today the battery replacement for the APC backup UPS 1100. First thing we should do, unscrew the four screws at the back, okay? And then afterwards flip it and insert the screwdriver here, push to the front, and then with the other screwdriver put it in this place and twist it so it doesn't break the face of the UPS. Okay, so we put it in between and then twist the screwdriver like that, so it opens very easily. Okay, we do it from the top and from the sides, and there it goes. The front panel is detached. And then after we open the front panel, we unscrew. There are three screws inside, sideways. We unscrew these screws, okay? They are one on the top and one in the middle and one down. Now I'm unscrewing the one on the top. I unscrewed the middle one, and I will unscrew the one at the bottom. Here I'm illustrating where the three screws are positioned. I unscrew the three screws, okay, and then I flip the UPS on the side, okay. So I unscrewed the front part and the rear part, okay, like that. I take it a bit out. I don't pull it too much, just 1 centimeter out, so it doesn't hold the side of the UPS. And then I do the same thing I did with the front panel of the UPS. Put the screwdriver and put the other screw and then twist it so the clips open up. Then I take it to the side. Sorry for the mess. And then I do the same thing at the bottom. I put the screwdriver to open up this part, and then put the other screwdriver and twist it so it opens up like so, like that. So it opens up like that. Then I easily remove the side cap of the UPS, and here it shows the battery. So I unplug the cables for the battery. Just keep in mind to mark them, the positive and the negative ones. Okay, after I do that, I take out the battery, the old one. Here comes the new battery. I'm removing the plastic that covers the terminals. Okay, I'll attach the cable between the two batteries here. It's very easy. Okay, good. Put the battery inside the UPS. And then plug the negative cable, the black one, and then plug the positive cable to the red terminal to the battery. Then we will close back the UPS. Here we close the side cover, okay. That's it. We close it, push it. The second thing we do is get the three screws, okay. flip the UPS, okay, insert the 3 screws back, so we attach the front panel with the 3 screws. Okay, after attaching the 3 screws on the front panel, we push back the front panel to attach its clips back inside to its normal position. Then we head back to the rear panel to attach the 4 screws. Okay, so like that the UPS is finished. Thanks everyone, hope this video helps. Don't forget, this is for the APC backup UPS 1100. Okay, thanks everyone, goodbye.